guest bedroom at the moment. Then we're going to bolt it up, and Brendan's going to do his electrical connections and bits and pieces. We've got 5 more lifts after this, which will basically complete the whole roof, which is awesome.
So we've got a bit of plaster, sort of lips out from the pod, from the module, sorry. You need to sort of slide that underneath the HVAC cage and drop it down. But besides that, there's also a cord sticking out too far that's going around a conduit we need to put on this side. So Ross is going to get a workout.
So we finally got the roof module landed and all the bolts are in and they lined up perfectly, which is really, really good. And now we're going to move on to the next roof module.